Hey, Midwest Picker here. I hope this video works. My phone is jacked up. Garage sale day. It's Saturday, August 14th, the day after Friday the 13th. I was just thinking, my channel doesn't have a tagline or a motto. Harry Humstone says bang bang, and Richard Nip Blip Flips forward pinto backwards, he says keep on picking. Oh, my finger got really big. Keep on picking at the end of his videos. Emily Conway, D Flippin Particles. Other people have taglines, mottos. I don't have anything, so put down in the comments what should be my tagline, what should be my motto. Be a good person because Enoch is watching. Or write Joey a fan letter. I don't know. So I need a motto. I need something like that. So anyway, it's a beautiful day, clear blue skies, low 80s. Little Midwest is having a jewelry sale on the front deck. Hope it goes well for her. I'm going to hit these garage. There's a lot of local garage sales. I think people are itching to sell because, you know, COVID numbers are down and then they're up and then they're down, they're back up again, whatever. People want garage sales. So there's garage sales all over the place. So I'm going to hit those next. We're looking for furniture for our new house. So I might go to some antique stores. They have some very good selections of furniture. If you don't know, I'm in the Grand Rapids, Michigan area. Grand Rapids used to be called the furniture capital of the country. A lot of furniture was made here, high quality stuff, and you can find it at garage sales, antique stores, stuff like that. So we're looking for like a dining room table and chairs. So I would rather buy something mid-century modern that's super high quality for $400 than to go to Big Lots or Walmart and buy junk for $400. You know what I'm saying? So put down in the comments, would you rather have high quality furniture from the 1950s that is $400 or $500, or would you rather go to Walmart and get something new for $400 or $500? We're thinking we're going to get vintage furniture. It's really cool. Super high quality, like I said. So I don't know, I'm gonna go check that out, see what I can find. I'm not sure if I'm gonna shoot video at the garage sales, at the antique stores, but we'll see. So hopefully I buy something, and the next part of this video will be a what I sourced video, so stay tuned. Oh, hey guys, you caught me drinking out of a teacup. So if you don't know, bone china teacups, vintage or new, basically anything old and not made in China. And I'm not picking on the country of China, I'm just saying they make a lot of modern stuff that's inexpensive, so you can't really flip it. But if you find anything made in England, made in Sweden, Germany, Portugal, it usually has pretty good value. And because of my electronic friend Harry Humstone, and I call him that because I've never met him in person, he's taught me a lot about Royal Albert China teacups. So what do I have here? Royal Albert cup and saucer. I'll put some pictures up here. I found these at a Salvation Army. I paid up a little bit. They were $3.99 for the cup and saucer. I think I'm going to do pretty good. I didn't have time to research it. It's really difficult. Obviously no UPC symbol that you can scan, but this is an older one. Put it right about there. I don't know if that's going to focus or not. The other one is Orchard Series. So there's not a lot of solds because eBay, if you look up solds, it only goes back, you know, I think 60 days, maybe 90 days. I'll put the correct number right here. So it's a long tail item, but they do sell. They do sell for really good money. So, what the heck. If I'm out in the wild and I see Royal Albert or any other brand that I know has value, I'm probably going to buy it before I even look it up. So yeah, that's the video, guys. Short and sweet. I went to my secret honey hole thrift store. A Goodwill was a bust. This Salvation Army is always good. I found that Fenton plate last time I was here. I find something every time I'm here. My sister, Blue House Brocante, she came with me here, oh gosh, I don't know, 2 months ago, and she found some Estee Lauder makeup and powder, and she made a ton of money. So it's fun to go thrifting with other people. It's not a competition. I learned from them, they learned from me, and I saw it, she looked it up, and yeah, she did really well. And her husband has a great eye for anything of value. It's fun to go thrifting. So that's the video, guys. Hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, put comments down below. Do I need a motto? Do I need a catchphrase? I can't use bang bang because Harry's already got that one. And real quick before you go, I did start a second channel. It doesn't have any videos yet, so I'm reluctant to tell you, but I'm doing an ASMR channel on YouTube. If you don't know what that is, go to Wikipedia and look it up. ASMR, I believe it's Autonomic Stimulus Meridian Response. So basically relaxation videos with music and images that help you sleep if you put earbuds in and you can't sleep, or you want something in the background while you're working. They're very, very popular on YouTube. So I'm going to be doing one of those because my new house is on 2 acres with a swamp and a pond, and I think I can make some pretty cool videos at sunset, sunrise, during the rain, the sound of bullfrogs and all that. Very relaxing. So that will be coming soon. I'll tell you the name of the channel as soon as I get videos up, because what's the point of you going there? You can subscribe, but there's no videos yet. Okay, fine, I'll tell you. It's Midwest ASMR. So if you want to go there, show some love, and subscribe now, you can. But videos won't be coming up and probably till late October. So that's going to be very exciting. So that's it, guys. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time.